Hi guys! Today we're gonna play with dinosaurs. There are so many of them. The dinos ran away. What if we draw them and learn more about each dino? Let's start. I bet you know this guy. Look attentively. What's its name? It lived over 65 million years ago and was as long as a school bus. I'll use some yellow for these spots and to color the sun. Now, light blue for the sky and red for the dino's body. Now, this dino had great eyesight. It could see better than people and spot other animals from far away. It could run fast for its size. Scientists think it could run about as fast as a bike. It had huge teeth. They were as big as bananas. Ooh. I'm using a darker shade of red to draw the outlines. Green for the grass. And a darker shade of green for the plants. Aha! Look at this. This is our Tyrannosaurus. Let's find the right place for it. Is it this one? Definitely not. Maybe it belongs here? Wrong again? Ah, this is the right spot. Next, Dino. It's not as popular as T-Rex. Let's see if you know it. I'll give you some hints. Its body was covered in thick armor, which protected it from unfriendly dinosaurs. Let me just add some details here. Now, orange for the body. And back to the dino. It had a large, heavy tail club. It could swing it to protect itself from danger.
Wow!
Let's use some brown here. This dinosaur was a plant eater. It liked plants like ferns. It also had short but strong legs and stayed close to the ground. The sky is light blue, by the way, and the grass and plants are green. Aha! Here's our dino. It's called an Ankylosaurus. We need to find the right spot for the Ankylosaurus. Maybe here? Nope. How about this place? That's right. Let's draw the black outlines first. It was a flying dinosaur, just like modern birds. Its name means winged lizard. Since it's flying, let's draw some clouds too. We'll start with the yellow color. By the way, this creature was not a dinosaur, even though it lived at the same time as dinosaurs. Wow. Let's add some orange. This animal had a long beak for catching food, mostly fish and small animals. I'll make the sky light blue, and you try to remember the name of this guy. Ready to check yourself? It's a Pterosaurus. Where does our Pterosaurus belong? Maybe here? Nope. How about this spot? Wrong. I think this is the right one. Next, black outlines first. This dinosaur lived long ago, around 100 million years ago. Whoa, it's ancient. It had a tall sail on its back made from long bones. How about painting it green? This dino also liked water and spent a lot of time near rivers. Probably that's the reason why it had a long, narrow snout like that of a crocodile. By the way, it was one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs. I'll use a darker shade of green to make the picture look 3D. And some brown for the spine. The grass is green, and tree leaves are green too. A bit of brown and light blue, and some gray. What do we have here? A Spinosaurus. We need to find its place. Is it here? Nah. Then here? Correct. Look at the black outlines attentively. Maybe they'll help you figure out what dino it is. This dino has a funny name. It means three-horned face. Can you guess why? I bet you can. Anyway, let's color it light blue. This dinosaur was a plant eater. It munched on leaves and plants. That's why it had a beak like a parrot. It needed it for biting plants. This dinosaur walked on 4 strong legs. We'll need some blue here. And this frill helped protect its neck and made it look bigger. Gonna make these spots blue, too. So pretty. Green for the grass, darker green for the plants, and a bit of gray. Let's take a look. It's Triceratops. Help me find its place. Is it here? No. How about this spot? Wrong again? Maybe this one? That's right. This next dino has a super-duper difficult name. I spent tons of time learning how to say it. But maybe you know it already. This dinosaur had a long, curved crest on its head. Maybe it was used to make sounds, like a horn. We don't know for sure. Let's start with brown. This dinosaur ate plants and could walk on 2 or 4 legs. Convenient. I'll add some orange, and a darker shade too. Have you figured out the name of this dino yet? We'll paint the sky light blue and add some green, orange, and darker green. Are you ready? It's a Parasaurolophus. Whoa! I said it! Let's find its place. Could it be here? No. How about here? That's right. Just 3 dinos are left. The name of this next giant means roofed lizard. You'll soon understand why it was called this way. Got it? It had big plates along its back. Plus, it had a spiked tail to help protect itself. You see, it was a nice plant-eating animal with no sharp teeth for protection. I'll use some beige for the body. Orange matches with beige very well. I'll also use a darker shade for the rest of the body. Interestingly, this dinosaur's back legs were longer than its front ones. Any ideas why? Yes! I haven't come up with an explanation yet. I'll use some red for the spikes. Looks amazing. And a darker shade of red? Light blue sky, some gray rocks, and green grass. And a yellow Pterosaurus. The moment of truth? It's a Stegosaurus. Where is its place? Let's see. Not here. This is the right spot. Next. This was one of the longest dinosaurs ever. It had a very long neck and tail. Such a long neck helped it eat leaves from tall trees. Let's paint it blue. This huge tail could also help this dinosaur with balance and making loud sounds to scare enemies away.
Whoa!
I'll use a darker shade of blue next. Looks amazing. Some light blue color. Whoa, this dino is so stylish. Green grass and plants. Adding brown and light blue? Done! So, what is this dino called? Right, it's a Brontosaurus. And where is its spot? Here? Oops. Wrong choice. This is the correct place. And the last dinosaur for today. It had a long neck and a small head. It was not actually a dinosaur, it was a sea reptile. Let me just draw some friends for this animal. It's gonna be partially purple. I'll also add some blue since it lived in the ocean. A darker shade of purple. This dino swam using 4 flippers, like underwater wings. Orange, gray, and red next. Green for the plants, a pink jellyfish, and light blue water. Do you think this is what the ocean looked like millions of years ago? Yeah! So, this animal is called Plesiosaurus. There's only one spot left. Let's put our Plesiosaurus there. Let's take a closer look at them, guys. Brontosaurus, Ankylosaurus, Tyrannosaurus, Plesiosaurus, Triceratops, Spinosaurus, Pterosaurus, Stegosaurus, Parasaurolophus. Great job, friends. See you soon. Bye.